One day, a woman came out of her home in the morning and saw three old men with a long white beard sitting in her front yard. She said to herself, I do not think I know those men, but they must be hungry. Then she went to them and told them with a smile, Welcome. Please log in to give you food. They asked her if her husband is home. She replied, No, he is out. Then we cannot come in, they replied. In the evening, when her husband came home, she told him what had happened and asked him to invite them. The woman went out and invited the men in. They give her a very stranger answer, they said. We will not go into a house together. Why is that? She asked. One of the old men explained. His name is Wealth, he said, as pointing to one of his friends, and said, pointing to another one, He is success, and I am love. Then he added, Now go in and discuss with your husband which one of us you want in your home. The woman went in and told her husband what was said. Her husband was overjoyed. How nice, he said. Since that is the case, let us invite Wealth. Let him come and fill our home with wealth. His wife disagreed. My dear, why don't we invite Success? Their daughter-in-law was listening from the other corner of the house. She jumped in with her own suggestion. Would it not be better to invite Love? Our home will then be filled with love. Let us follow our daughter-in-law's advice, said the husband to his wife. Go out and invite Love to be our guest. The woman went out and asked the three old men, Which one of you is Love? Please come in and be our guest. Love got up and started walking toward the house. The other two also got up and followed him. Surprised, the lady asked Wealth and Success, I only invited Love. Why are you coming in? The old men replied together, If you had invited Wealth or Success, the other two of us would have stayed out. But since you invited Love, wherever he goes, we go with him. Wherever there is love, there is also wealth and success.
The Woodman and the Serpent. One wintry day a woodman was tramping home from his work when he saw something black lying on the snow. When he came closer, he saw it was a serpent to all appearance dead. But he took it up and put it in his bosom to warm while he hurried home. As soon as he got indoors, he put the serpent down on the hearth before the fire. The children watched it and saw it slowly come to life again. Then one of them stooped down to stroke it, but the serpent raised its head and put out its fangs and was about to sting the child to death. So the woodman seized his axe and with one stroke cut the serpent in two. Ah, said he, no gratitude from the wicked.